What is now the update on Maharlika Investment Fund?
Ipinasa namin, it was certified urgent by the President. Ipinasa namin, and it will be taken up by the Senate to when they resume session. So hopefully they will be able to deliberate, they will be able to speak about it, and I'm sure, given that how learned and wise our senators are, makikita naman nila yung mga benepisyo at anong magagawa ng Maharlika Investment Fund para sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan. But on the part of Congress, we passed it on third reading. Sinasabi naman nila ito is railroaded, hindi naman, mga 3 araw we spent deliberating. Lahat ng taong gusto magtanong, nagtanong. Lahat ng tao na gusto magsalita tungkol sa investment fund ay nakapagsalita sa floor. So we addressed everyone's concerns, everyone was able to register their opinion, and on that part, it was put to a vote and it was passed. What is good is that the President will be going to the World Economic Forum on the 20th of January in Davos. Yan po ay ang pinakamalaking conference na pwede mong puntahan sa buong mundo. Lahat ng mga pinakamalaking negosyo, lahat ng mga pinakamalaking leaders, lahat ng mga you name it. Yan talaga ang pinakamasikat na pwede mong puntahan in terms of a state/business conference. So malaking bagay pa yan na pwedeng sabihin ng ating Pangulo na ipinasa na